Booking the cheapest flight tickets can be a bit of a science, but here are some effective strategies to help you save. 1. Use flight comparison websites. Start with sites like Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Kayak to compare prices across multiple airlines. 2. Be flexible with dates. If possible, search for flights on different dates. Midweek flights, Tuesday or Wednesday, are often cheaper than weekend departures. 3. Set fare alerts. Use tools that notify you when prices drop for your desired route. Book in advance. Generally, booking 1 to 3 months in advance can yield better prices, though it can vary based on the destination and season. 5. Consider nearby airports. Check flights to and from nearby airports. You might find a better deal that way. 6. Use incognito mode. When searching for flights, use your browser's incognito mode to prevent price increases based on your search history. 7. Look for budget airlines. Don't overlook budget carriers. Just be aware of additional fees for baggage and seat selection. 8. Check for promotions. Follow airlines on social media and subscribe to their newsletters for exclusive deals and flash sales. 9. Be open to layovers. Direct flights are convenient, but flights with layovers can often be cheaper. 10. Travel during off-peak seasons. Prices can drop significantly during off-peak travel times, so research the best times to visit your destination. 11. Use points or miles. If you have frequent flyer miles or credit card points, redeeming them can greatly reduce costs. 12. Consider package deals. Sometimes booking flights with hotels or car rentals can offer discounts. By combining these strategies, you can maximize your chances of finding the cheapest flights. Happy travels!